Hi everybody, it's Stuart here. It's US Open. It's, where are we? Wednesday the 28th of November. Big speech from Jay Powell is the key driver for markets ahead of the G20 that starts Friday and concludes Saturday. Euro here, very much sideways action today. Floor, by the looks of things here, you can see a big floor there. We can't go below 12.78 at the moment, and we can't get above here today, can we? 12.96, so we're under 113 is the key one. Big dip, we can't get back over it, and we're sideways into Jay Powell's speech. The US data today has been a little erring on, more or less in line, but erring on a disappointing side. We've got new home sales in about 30 minutes, but all of that is paling into significance of what Jay Powell might say and what the president made President Trump made tweet on trade, I think is what I'm trying to say. So GDP was bang in line at 3.5% annualized, so second reading of that data, so bang in line. So euro's going sideways. Pound has rallied up again, capped at 128, and it's just started to slip down in the last couple of hours. It's under the key 128, 127.78. Pivots down here at 127.60, so again pressure to the downside. Dollar yen rallying to day highs at the moment, 13.90. So next stop is obviously 114 up here, but the resistance, the daily R1 resistance comes before that at 13.93. So generally dollar bid against the yen there. Stocks continue to recover. S&P 500, the futures have ran into 2696, so just shy of 2700, which is the key level as we came down, so it's had a good few days. This is recovery, too early to tell really in my view, but anyway, so there we go. Oil and gold again has had another spiky day, and in this current hour we've spiked all the way under 12.12, so interesting on US Open, so a bit of a floor there, but we spiked lower, no more sellers down there, and we're holding 12.14, so 12.15 is the key resistance. Key pivot at 12.17.29. And finally, final two pairs I put up on Facebook earlier. Oil recovered a wee bit this morning. As we said, it got over 52, close to 52.50, and it's collapsed all day again, down under 51 again. Remember yesterday we spiked all the way down to 50.30, so that $50 level remains key, and we're back to 51. So a really volatile oil market at the moment. Lots of ups and downs on that one. CAD continues to accrue. We're over 133. We're at 133.40 earlier, and we just come off that high at the moment. So that's continued trending up. And finally, Bitcoin had a big turnaround today, this morning. 6 o'clock candle, rocketed through 4,000, and it's held that gain. And we've ran into 4239, which must be from the other day. That line, I haven't put that on recently, so it's just going. Where was that? I can't remember. That was that low. From this section here on the 23rd, that low there, so we've ran into that level there, so a bit of a rounding bottom there, which is not great for Bitcoin. So more later. Have a great trading session. Watch out for Mr. Powell later. We've got the British stress tests for their banks published later, and then Mr. Carney's got his press conference as well, so lots to come in later on, but markets really, certainly Euro's a great example of that. Euro just waiting on Jay Powell later. So take care, see you all then, and happy trading.